This is my lottery dream home.
This house is called Eagle Crest and is 10 miles from Rick and Lori's current house. It sits on 50 acres. Even though this is an amazing space, the drive up is a little crazy. The great thing about this house, it's turnkey. All the furnishings can stay. It fits the house, it has this lodge feel. I think this is exactly their aesthetic.
6 garages?
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Only 6.
Hi.
Hi,
Good to see you.
welcome to Eagle Crest.
Right on.
You can imagine why I got this name.
It's a great name.
The drive up was a little freaky, right?
Oh my gosh, how high is it?
But 6,000 feet
Oh, wow. What a
above sea
drive.
level.
I gotta try to drive it because I don't know about that drive up here. It's a little bit hairy.
Well, let me tell you a little bit about the house.
All right.
It's 5 bedrooms, 8 baths, 16,000 square feet.
Oh, geez.
The amenities are amazing. I'm not going to tell you about them because I want you to be surprised.
All right.
There's a few negatives. It does not have a pool.
Okay.
And it snows a lot up here. And the price is bargain.
Bargain.
$5,800,000.
That's it?
Oh,
And
jeez.
it sits on 50 acres.
Oh my gosh.
You basically get your own mountain.
It's a little bit higher than we wanted to spend, isn't it?
Honey, you got to see the inside.
Okay.
Wow.
Welcome to Eagle Crest.
Oh, my
Holy smokes.
beautiful.
Insane, right?
Insane. You said it.
This is insane.
I love the bear.
The bear is awesome. I'm going to take you into the great room because it's great.
Wow.
The view is absolutely majestic. So, but just take in everything here.
It's out of sight.
This is very lodgy.
Yeah.
This is very themed.
Oh, I love it.
It's great. The beautiful chandeliers. The beams are actually brought in from Canada, and the craftsmen are from Utah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this whole house is majestic. Let's look at the view really quick.
Okay.
Check it out. You can see
Wow.
my
everything.
Lord.
Everything.
Oh,
That's
look
Lake
at
Paris right there.
this.
Look at it. This is a kitchen.
This is amazing.
Everything matches.
This is not just one kitchen, it's 2 kitchens. We have the baker's kitchen over here, 2 ovens.
Oh, wow.
Ta-da, cookies for Christmas, I can smell it. But then we have our other kitchen with 2 more ovens over here.
Jeez. This is
Sit
huge.
next to you, darling.
Huge.
Nice having a little fireplace in your dining room.
It's gorgeous. I mean, look at
Hey,
this.
down there. Hello. Hello, down there.
Hello. All right, guys, why don't you come outside? We
Wow.
haven't spent any time outside, but look.
Oh, this is stunning.
Babbling Brook.
This
Isn't
is
it
stunning.
amazing? Just look at the view.
Oh, my
God.
The
goodness.
view. Let's continue to explore. All right, I'm gonna let you guys explore your master suite.
Oh, jeez.
Good.
Master suite. Oh,
Wow. There's more of the beams.
jeez. This is pretty nice,
Look at,
Rick.
you got a deck on the front and the back, so you can enjoy the mountains
Oh, yeah.
or the valley.
Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at his and hers.
Got
Look
a
at the
jacuzzi
view
tub.
for the jacuzzi tub.
Is that one bed?
Oh,
No,
I
it's 2.
think it's 2, but it sure is comfy. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
okay. You really think we can afford this?
It's only $5.5 million.
Eagle Crest also boasts themed bedrooms such as the canoe room and the western room, plus an apartment for Lori's dad. The bottom floor includes a gentleman's lounge, a pool room, and a fully equipped gym. But the red carpet amenity down here is what I think will really win them over.
This is too much.
Tickets, anyone?
How much are the tickets here?
5.8 million.
I'll take one.
Would you like a snack?
Oh, sure.
There you go.
Very nice.
Something to drink.
Of course.
I'll take a beer.
I think you're gonna need one. You're about to spend $5.8 million.
Oh,
Ta-da!
That's a theater.
this is ridiculous.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 20 seats here, and it's incredible.
Unbelievable.
Fabulous. Look at the giant screen. THX. Everything is high def deliciousness. And the best thing is your seats recline. There's a little button right there. There you go.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
That is very nice.
Stop the magic.
oh, jeez.
No, let the magic continue.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you sold yet? He asked for water? Well, how's this for water? The Senterra is an extremely unique property that backs onto a stunning man-made lake right here in the middle of Houston. It does come with a bigger price tag and it sits on a smaller lot, but with the added security of a gated community. I think it's a great option for Steven, who spends most of his time in Manhattan. So this neighborhood is good, right?
You know, I really like it. It makes me feel secure.
I mean, hello, gated communities. So what do you think of the house?
It's really nice. You know, it's got some curb appeal.
Right.
Not as grand as yesterday,
So that definitely laid out some extra curb appeal. It was like very grand, tons of windows, tons of brick. This is still very grand. So let me tell you a little bit about the Senterra. It has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It has 3,321 square feet, and it's our most expensive house at $425,000.
Okay, that's all right.
Yeah.
As long as I like it.
As long as you like it. Shall we take a look?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do this. This is very grand, right?
Yeah, I like the entryway.
Yeah, it's really cool. All right, come on in. Get this started.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And so over here we have a great sized dining room.
Yeah, it's perfect. I don't need bigger than this.
Yeah. All right, let's continue.
All right.
And here we have yet another fabulous kitchen.
Oh, yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
I really love all the white. It's definitely modernized. It's not as open as the last kitchen, but
Right.
with these arches, it still feels open.
Right.
And it's kind of nice to have the separation as well.
The handy eat-in kitchen is perfectly positioned to take in the stunning views and flows naturally out to a casual living space. So we have a wonderful family room here.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like the fireplace.
Fireplace is great.
Yeah.
But that view, though.
I know, right? I can't take my eyes off of it.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Miami right now.
I know, it's like Miami vibes over here, and then we have Midwestern vibes and Texas vibes over here. So just like the other 2 houses, we have first floor living.
Yeah.
Let's go into that. All right. So here we have our master bedroom.
Oh my God, looking out and seeing that, that's amazing.
That's eye candy.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
delicious eye candy.
Yeah.
All right, Steven, go check out the master bath.
All right. Oh, it's a great size. I would probably want to make the shower a tad bit bigger though.
Why not?
But it's got a massive tub. That's
It does
really
have a
nice.
massive tub.
I like it.
Good. Want to see the upstairs?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a lot of space in here.
So we have a queen size bed in here, and it actually fits the room perfectly.
Yeah.
It has an attached full bathroom.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. I really like the hardwood floors all the way throughout. That's really nice. There's no carpet at all.
This is our only house that we haven't seen carpet in the upstairs, which I think is really nice.
Makes it feel more expensive.
And it is more expensive. There are 2 more great-sized guest bedrooms. And overlooking the pool is a super cool space for everyone to hang out.
Wow.
This is our first bonus room that we haven't had a TV watching area or some sort of craft room. Would you keep this as a game room?
Yeah, I really like the pool table. I grew up playing pool, so
So you're pretty good.
I'm a shark.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
if I was to take you on, you would totally...
You wouldn't take me on.
No, I couldn't, because I'm terrible. I know this shark loves the water, and I'm pretty confident we'll be circling in on a deal when he feasts his eyes on this amazing backyard. I mean, she's a beauty.
This is gorgeous.
Isn't it, though?
Yeah.
So it's got Fort Lauderdale vibes, and we even have a hot tub here.
Yeah.
Which is wonderful.
Awesome.
We're in a private gated community to see a gorgeous house I'm calling Brick Bottom Way. It's huge. It's really fantastic. Perfect for family gatherings. Well, hello.
Well, hey, David.
It's a gorgeous day today, isn't it?
It just keeps getting nicer.
I mean, it's perfect to help you find your dream home, isn't it?
Yes.
Let me tell you a little bit about the house.
Okay.
Brick Bottom Way has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 3,320 square feet. The price is great. The low end of your budget at $575,000.
Good.
Sounds
cool.
good.
Ready to check it out?
Yes,
That's
indeed.
great.
Wraparound porch, which is lovely. Come on in. I think we're gonna head downstairs.
Okay.
We're following you.
Start with the fun floor. We have a pool table
Oh,
and a
that's
game room.
nice.
Yeah.
This is big, too.
And I like the color.
It's amazing what color can do, isn't it?
Yes.
A whole lot better.
It's,
Steam a little
it's
bit.
lighter.
Yes.
It's
It
more
is.
fresh. It's more beachy.
I like the tile floor. It's kind of off the outside.
And what's outside?
Looks like a pool.
Because it is a pool.
Yes!
Want to go see it really
I
quick?
do.
I
I
was
want
hoping
to
we
see
were
it.
going
Pool and hot tub.
Oh,
no, I like
this
that.
is nice. And I like the concrete, David.
Yeah, it feels more secure, it feels more permanent, it feels more expensive to me.
Yeah,
It does.
it's really nice.
Good start, huh?
Oh, very nice.
You're doing great.
We haven't even barely scratched the surface of this house.
No.
Okay.
All right, let's get back in there and get to the guts of it.
Love it.
Walk like this, though.
Oh,
All
yeah.
right.
I've got Bouger down.
I love you. Huge deck space up here.
Oh, wonderful.
I mean, just fantastic, isn't
This
it?
is great.
Oh, I love
Yeah.
And just so much space up here, too. You could put a dining table up here and have outdoor lunches and outdoor dinners.
This is
Would be
great.
amazing. All right, ready to see some bedrooms?
All
We are.
right.
All right. So I'm calling this one kind of the second master.
Oh, this is nice.
A lot of room. Very nice.
Yes, this is big.
Would you
Really
take at
nice.
least one of the two masters?
Probably.
That's good. All right, we're gonna get them there.
Yes.
Fantastic. The proper master is 2 flights up, but there are 3 other bedrooms on this floor, and they all have access to a wraparound deck. All right, so I'm dying to show the upstairs. Come on up, you guys.
Oh, wow, David. This is awesome. This is open living.
This is
I love it.
extreme open living.
Wow.
Wonder, do your thing, look around.
This
Like
is really
this.
nice. This huge island and all the seating. The kids could sit up there.
It's airy, it's beachy. It's exactly what you
Yes.
think it should be when you come to a beach house.
I like it.
Good.
Oh, this is nice. This is a good size for a master.
Yeah, agreed.
Perfect.
Yeah, overlooking the pool. Check out the master bath.
Okay.
See what you think.
Oh, wow. 2 sinks. Look at this shower.
You know, you can tell that the owners of this house are very proud because this is just that nice.
You know, it's a fancy neighborhood. Maybe people just are super fancy here. Or
Yeah.
what's another word for it?
Bouger.
Bougie. Okay, let's go out to the deck and
Okay.
do all of that. Yes.
This is nice.
They have a dining space up here, which I think is perfect.
Oh, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
great.
I mean, look at all this. You can put lounge chairs up
Tons of
here.
space.
I feel like you guys connected with this house.
I like it a lot.
We're looking at Wade Manor. Just 6 miles from their current home in Portland, this incredible property comes in at $644,900. Sitting on nearly 7 acres, it has everything that Carmen and James are looking for. It's grand, it's beautiful, it's formal, but also has that very cozy feel that James really wanted.
Wow.
Crazy, right?
Big, it's big.
Driving up in that driveway, I thought, wow.
That's quite the front yard, isn't it?
The outside looks great. I hope the inside looks just as good.
It does. So I'm calling this one Wade Manor. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, has 4,640 square feet,
Wow.
has a beautiful pool, and it comes at a beautiful price of $644,900.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. You guys ready to see it?
I'm
Anxious?
ready. Yes.
Right,
Let's
go
do
see
it.
it. All right. Here we go. Come on in.
Wow.
Good, isn't
There's
it?
the staircase.
I feel a very Scarlett O'Hara moment with you in your gown. Grand enough for you? I mean, look at that chandelier.
Oh, that is
Molding everywhere.
amazing.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Either side of the grand entrance is a formal living room and dining room, and next door is the kitchen. Huge.
Very big.
This is it.
Feel like a millionaire yet?
Kinda.
Kinda. Now that you're seeing the kitchen, I mean, the kitchen's pretty spectacular,
Very.
isn't it?
It's awesome.
Nice, beautiful granite. I feel like the kitchen would has a much more cozy family atmosphere. Do you agree?
I agree.
Good.
I agree.
Very modern.
James is feeling it, and the coziness continues into the family room. And here is our family room.
I love this.
Sounds great.
This is a cozy
nice.
room here. I do like this. Real nice.
Just next door is a ground floor master suite. I wasn't quite sure if this master bedroom was big enough.
This is big.
This is the
is
size
pretty
rooms we're
big.
looking for, right
Got
here.
you. For as big of a room as it is, it feels very warm and very cozy. You want to check out the master bath?
Yes, I
It's
do.
very luxurious.
Oh my gosh.
Now, this is a big bathroom.
This is huge.
Crazy, isn't it?
This is crazy huge.
This is the best room so far.
Pull myself up.
Up that stunning staircase, there are 3 more bedrooms for when the family comes to stay.
Yep, I like them no smaller than this. This is true coziness.
Yes, that's your cozy.
And down this hall, a giant bonus room.
Wow, what a grand room.
Grandkids would love it. Hardwood floor.
So what do you think?
I like it.
I love the entrance. I love the stairs. And the kitchen is just elaborate.
It's a lot of house.
Just beautiful. And I can't wait to see the outside.
I couldn't either. They won't be disappointed.
Wow.
I like this.
I love this right here. There he is.
Hello. Got your pool. I'm sorry, there's no, like, cascading waterfall.
The yard is definitely a major plus. Definitely is.
Yeah, I love the backyard. I think it's absolutely stunning. Yeah.
This is the dream home.
This is the ultimate forever home, isn't it?
Right.
So I have a great house to show you guys tomorrow. We'll just see if it's your forever house.
Okay,
Who knows? Should we get out of here?
Sure, let's go.
Or dip in the pool?
Yes.
The next house is breathtaking. Polo Grounds Manor. It's in East Quogue, about 25 minutes from their old place in Mastic. This property has a grand exterior, and the interior isn't bad either. But the best part, it's way closer to Donna's family. Cameron is going to be thrilled.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
What do you think of the house?
Nice, very nice.
I'm calling this house the Polo Grounds Manor. I mean, I picked this house because it's 4,500 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms. It's got lots of bathrooms just for you. It's got everything you want for $1,499,000.
Yes, absolutely.
Are you guys ready to see the fabulous?
Yes, we are.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous.
Isn't it amazing?
Look at this house. I like it.
Man, come on in. Pretend this is your home.
Okay.
Sit on the couch. Enjoy.
I like this.
It's cozy, isn't it?
Can sit here and
Oh, there you go. He's feeling comfy.
he's feeling really comfortable. I like this. You can look right out to the pool.
And you can open all those doors.
Doors with entertaining. I like, very nice.
It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
Want to see some more?
Yes. Nice. I like.
You liking
Cabinets and the
it?
countertop.
That's the beauty of having $20 million.
Yeah, yes.
See myself over here reading the newspaper in the morning.
There you go.
Wife bringing me coffee.
You can always hope for the best.
So the kitchen's good.
Yes.
All right, ready to see some more?
Yes. Yes.
All right, let's go through this way. Check out some more of this grand house. I mean, can you imagine these doors just being pulled open and
Yeah.
having a great view of the outside?
Very nice.
All right, so what we have is we have 2 identical rooms. Both are en suites. We have a bedroom over there with an ensuite with the bathroom, and we have one over here as well. And I'm gonna have another surprise for you. Another bathroom.
Oh.
In between. Come on, check it
Now
out.
this is a perfect size for my mom.
Exactly, and she's got a beautiful view of the pool.
Of the pool. It's very nice.
Upstairs, there are 2 more guest rooms and a gorgeous master suite.
Oh, this is nice.
A lot of room.
Can fit our king-size bed,
Where's the bathroom?
the master bath. Oh, this is nice. A nice big soap tub, 2 vanities, 2.
Tub for you, shower for me.
Yes, this is nice.
Hello.
Hi.
How you guys liking it so far?
Guest room, very nice. We like it.
Good, good.
Another bathroom there.
Another,
I like that.
of course it is.
And there's plenty of room downstairs for Christina.
Oh, this is nice.
Finished basement.
Nice and big.
It's huge, isn't it?
It's huge.
Come on, guys. Had to save the best for last.
Yes, absolutely. Very nice.
You know, it's absolutely spectacular property, and the pool is gigantic. It's beautiful, and I love that you can see it from every single part of the house.
Yes, very nice.
So is this a big enough pool for you guys?
Definitely big enough for everyone, do you think?
We'll have to lower the water so her family can get in, because they'll fill it up.
Oh.